check. A lot of cavities. One?
Yes. Yes.
Clear, clear?
Yes, yes, please.
That's it, number 6. Number 6, already? Oh, yes, good. Number 6, left. Number 5, okay? Number 6, okay? Number 6, resin. If it's no leaking here, I think all the water only in the 60 cooler.
I want to ensure that.
What?
I want to ensure that on the cage.
Yeah. Well, still number 7, no leakage, second. Number 7. Because you see here, this one, this tube, yeah, too much. This one is too much. That's from the drain from the HT.
Okay, I know. I understand you.
And the 1, 2 buckets,
As a
every
small
4
I'll
hours.
check it.